What's happening, guys? What is happening? Alright. Look. Full market pumping. Only caught a little bit of it. What's happening, guys? What's happening? Bear with me today, because I am moving apartments. So I had to buy all my furniture. So throughout the stream, there may be people coming in and out. So just bear with me. But yeah, I think they're coming now. How's it, guys? How's it, guys? Oh, sorry about that. I am moving today, so I just had my couch installed. But yeah, we back. Yeah. Let's see what's happening in the market. So like, if you guys join my live, I'm on my Telegram group. We caught that XRP signal beautifully. Yeah. So this was the trade. I actually took profit already, but I mean, look how much it's ripping already. So let's have a look at some other charts. Yeah, the whole market's actually just pumping today. But what we're gonna do today, we're gonna trade the retracements. Okay. So what I mean by that is, when price comes down and retraces, then we'll be able to make the trade. Yeah. So let me know what charts you want me to go over, and we'll go over them. But yeah, it looks good. Market looks very nice today. It's a beautiful day. It's a Monday. Have a look. Matic's pumping. Chainlink's absolutely ripping today. Yeah, Chainlink's pumping so much. Okay, so like, Chainlink's probably gonna come back up to this level here, right? At around about 7.7, yeah, on the dot. So this would be a good area to short the market, because we would expect a retracement from here. So I'll be looking at shorts when price taps into the zone, right? Because the market's just a bit overextended here, to be honest with you, for Chainlink. is a bit of extended here. So yeah, but we did miss quite a bit of chase there. The thing is, most of these pumps did actually happen when I was moving, but it's alright. Let's see, yeah, OP. Let's see, retard OP. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rechart this. Because the thing is, right now, we could actually look at Pepe longs. I was looking at this earlier because look at Pepe, how much it dumped, right? So if we have a look at the 4 hour, right? Can you please look at C? Yeah, sure, I will. I will go over I actually did take a trade yesterday. I made like 27% on C. But yeah, let's go over Pepe first. Have a look at Pepe. So the nice thing with Pepe, we can actually take quite nice longs back up to these highs. So the 4 hours bullish, right? So we know that. The 1 hour did close bullish, and it did close above the range here. Okay, so we have this level here, right? So this is the level I'll be looking at for longs. You see a closure above there. 15 minutes. Oh. Sorry, today's been so hectic for me. I wasn't meant to actually stream today, but I feel like I have to. Give me 1 minute. I do apologize, I have to pay people. Yeah, we are sorted now. We can actually trade. We can actually trade now. Amazing. It's a very, very nice thing. So Pepe, we're going to be looking for longs above 0.65, around about there. Okay. Yeah. So the thing is, the market's bullish, right? So where do we have? We have some support over here. So like if price comes back down to here for Pepe, then we would obviously like look for buys, right? This is like a very, very nice retracement area. So this would be a beautiful setup here for Pepe. Yeah, around about 2.5%. So yeah, I mean this is crazy. Let's wait for this because this will be beautiful. So we're looking for longs here for Pepe. Let's have a look at G. So yeah, yesterday I actually put some beautiful buys here. But this was like, basically I saw that the market was really wanted to retrace. So what I do normally to find out like where like price is going to retrace, what you want to do is you want to grab the Fibonacci tool, you take it from the low to the high, okay? And look at this, right? So what this tool tells us, it's basically telling us price is going to be retracing these specific zones. Okay, so as you can see, we have this beautiful 0.786 retracement. Okay, and that's exactly what we got here. Nice, beautiful retracements, and that's why I took the long yesterday. It was quite a beautiful setup. Like, I mean, technically I should have held it, right? I took profit like here, but I mean, if I could potentially should have held it, but yeah, it's one of those things. So look here. So for SWE now, this is beautiful, right? We're at resistance right now. Okay, so we're at resistance. What's going to happen here is, in order for us to take a trade, we need the next 30 minutes or the next 1 hour candle to flip bullish. Okay, once it flips bullish, then we will take a long position back up to this level. Okay, this would be a beautiful setup, guys. So this is what I'm definitely looking at here. Nice 2% move. So we're gonna wait for the next 30-minute candle to close. Then we take longs. Yeah, because you can see even the 15. If the next 15-minute candle closes above here, we will be in long positions. Okay, so this is definitely a chart that I'm looking at right now. It will definitely play out. Okay, because the whole market's bullish, right? When the whole market is bullish, we want to be taking longs. Okay, because Bitcoin's like at, let's have a look at Bitcoin quickly. But I know Bitcoin is at like 27k, 27,100. Like, look at this massive pump for Bitcoin, huge pump. Okay, so like, where's the next level for Bitcoin? Currently at that level. Okay, we should see price come down from here. If not, well then 800 is definitely the next level. So the market's kind of like crazy today. Market is kind of crazy today. If Bitcoin breaks this level, well then we could probably look for longs, but it's kind of overextended, right? What I mean by that, it's at resistance, so we need to see a closure at least above this level here. Yeah. But yeah, it looks good, guys. Looks good. Market should, the market's ripping. Matic, beautiful setup here. You see how price. So if you want to, I'll quickly go over. Some of you guys are new here, right? So I'll quickly just go over like some of the trades that I would take, right? Just so you can kind of do it for yourself, right? So looking at Matic, right? This trade would be beautiful because what you do is when you're drawing a trend line, okay, you have to have at least 3 touches, right? So we have one touch over here, another touch over here, this touch, and then this, right? So you can see how price tried to break out, came back in, broke out again, and then this is where you buy. You can see how price retested this level, and you can see how it broke this resistance here. So this would be a perfect entry over here, back up to these highs, because the thing is, what normally happens is when you get a breakout, right, price comes back down, retest. So that's what we had. We had a breakout over here, came back down, and we formed a new level. Okay, so currently price should get reacted at this level. But yeah, definitely looking at SCI. Okay guys, we're going to be taking this trade today. I do want to take this trade today because it's a nice point to be trading. Yesterday I took a trade on this. It was like a 20x leverage, right? And I made like 27% in like 5 minutes, because the problem is every movement is so small, right? So be careful with this one. But we're going to be taking this in the next 15 minutes. We will be taking this next 15 minutes, so hold on. But yeah, we're only really looking at this. Okay, the 15 closed bullish here, guys. So we're gonna take these longs. I'm gonna take these longs here, guys. SER. Like that. You guys take this trade with me. Let me know if you took this trade. Are we long on SER? See the, we need that bottom wick to get created. So basically, it's just created a bottom wick now. Are we long here? We are long. See what's happening. Bitcoin is still getting ejected from that zone. Main link. Yeah, so Pepe, we're waiting for price to come back down and tap this level here. And then we'll be in longs, okay? So this is Pepe. When Pepe comes back down, retest. Expecting this, right? Back down to here, then take buys. The market is retracing a bit, so we just need to hold on for a little bit. Yeah, I'm expecting this to play out as well. Just hold on. Market is coming down a bit, yeah, but the thing is we had a 15 closure. We should be sort of flipping bullish here. Yeah, it's kind of just waiting. Pepe is going to be beautiful because, yeah, Pepe is going to be nice. Hopefully we get this entry. If not, right, if price cannot break this low here, right, then we'll be looking at 5-minute bars above this level here because currently it's kind of ranging. So we'll have to wait for bars above here. But let's see. I would expect it to come back down to this level. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. Market is frozen. I mean, I do apologize. I'll be back. Yeah, I mean, yes. It seems like I took longs on comp. I took profit like here or something. Crazy how much I pumped. Market is coming down. I think Pepe, we should get into it. We're waiting for this, right? Oh, Ethereum looks good. Yeah, look at Ethereum. I mean, it's absolutely pumped today. Tapped into that green zone that we were speaking about. The next level for Ethereum is like 17,000, 1,700, which is kind of crazy. Another 3%. So the market is beautiful still. Market is beautiful. Are there M60? Yeah, so we did actually take a long for SER. Yeah, we took a long here. But if I was you, I'd probably just wait for the next 30-minute candle closure, because the 15 did close above our zone, but the 30-minute needs to close above. Yeah. But yeah, we did take this long here. So it should be good. And yeah, M60. Ayula. We're also looking for Pepe. Yeah. When Pepe comes back down to this level at 0.6375, and take bars back up to, yeah, okay. I'm waiting for a retracement here. I'm thinking about taking a sell here, like a very, very quick scalp. If this next 5-minute candle flips bearish, I'm gonna take a sell here for Pepe. Yeah. If this next 5-minute candle flips bearish, I'm gonna take a sell here. And then we're gonna take buys. So this could be a beautiful signal. If it doesn't flip bearish, right? So we have to wait for this candle to flip below the zone, and then we take some buys. But if it doesn't flip bearish, well then one of those things, yeah? You're not going to take the trade. That's crazy. So Pepe respected that zone. Nice. So basically now, okay, we'll see. Like we still just gonna wait for this. But if it flips bearish here, we'll take buys. If it doesn't, this next 15-minute candle closes respects, and then we can just take buys off the bat. Yeah, because what's Bitcoin doing? Where's Bitcoin? It's gonna be interesting to see how Bitcoin closes now. Because on the 30 minutes. Yeah, 30-minute candle closes above here. So this blue line at 27,175. If the 30-minute candle closes above here, it's just gonna start ripping again. We have this whole level here that needs to get taken out. And once it closes above there, we're gonna see this 27,300. And then this level here, 27,800. The market's bullish there. Market is bullish there. Let's see what Pepe is doing. We're looking for sells though. I want to see if this level holds. I'm streaming from home today because I literally just moved in my apartment today. It's been a busy weekend. Because it's unfurnished, so I had to buy all the furniture and people coming in every day, dropping stuff off and all of this stuff. Can you add me to, yeah, let me give you the link. Yeah, so the Telegram group, basically we post signals every day and market updates. Let me get you the group. Yeah, here's a link here. That's crazy, Pepe just pumps. Crazy. You hope me to join the Telegram. To join the Telegram. What do you mean? Just click on the link and then you'll be joined. What do you mean by that? By that? Market's pumping. I don't know what's this. Pepe's just gonna pump off the rip, yeah. Crazy. What do you mean by join the Telegram? You just click on the link and then it should just take you to the channel. Should just use the channel. I will call the stream a bit early because the problem is I've got a lot of stuff coming just now. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon, Gold King. Hope you're doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. So I've been on the stream for like 30 minutes. I did start a little bit early. So it's because today all my stuff arrived from my apartment, so I kind of need to be quick. But I want to see if we can get a trade. So basically looking at Pepe longs above this level here. So I'm thinking basically if price comes back down to this level, then we take longs, right? But if price closes above here, we're going to take longs. So the current range is from this level to this level. Once we break above the range, we take buys. Okay. If we close below, we take buys on the retest. We got two setups that we're waiting for. It's either price comes back down to this zone. Price closes above there. Yeah. So Pepe is looking good. We're definitely gonna get a trade. The whole market is bullish. We spoke about Bitcoin a bit earlier. You can see it's actually dumping now. So the 30-minute candle closed above. So what's going to happen here for Bitcoin? What I can see happen here, we're probably going to close below here the next 30 minutes. The next candle closes above, and then we see a massive push. So that's scenario one, right? Or this candle just starts, it creates its bottom wick now, and it just starts to flip bullish, and then we see that pump back up to 27,300 and then potentially 27,800, okay? Because the whole market is bullish. Alright. Oh, WorldCoin. We might get some WorldCoin trade here. What is this setup? You can see how I just saw a setup randomly there. Okay. That's beautiful, right? We have a trend line out over there. Have a look at the 15. Yeah, this is going to be a 5-minute trade. I want to see if we respect this level here. If price respects this level here, then obviously it's valid. We take longs. But if it closes below, we can actually take a small sell here for WorldCoin. But like looking on the 4-hour chart, WorldCoin is looking bullish, right? So we're going to be trading smaller time frames. And if you look here on the 4-hour, where's our resistance? We're currently at it now. This whole zone here, actually let's draw that in because that's actually very valid. It's actually very, very valid. Look at this level, right? Look our price. You're gonna have to pull that up a bit. Tap into the zone rejection, tap into the zone rejection, okay? Every time we tap into that zone, we get rejection. Okay, so keep that in mind, right? So that is the rejection zone. Yeah. The 1-hour candle is looking like looking bearish here. We could take potential sells here. What I'm waiting for is a 5-minute candle closure below this level to take sells back down to area here. So what I'll do here is I'll draw a line on the 5 minutes. Okay, so this is my target on the 5 minute. Then what I'll do is I'll go on the 15, like, okay, is that a valid target? And it is a valid target. If I go on the 30 minutes, that is still a valid target. It is support in the past, right? We had support here in the past. We had resistance. So we want to be targeting this level. So on the 5-minute chart, we got that level, and that level correlates. It actually correlates with the higher time frame. So you can see how I use the smaller time frames and the higher time frames as one, you know. So yeah. We're gonna take some sells here. I'm gonna take some sells here. But only if it respects this level, right? I mean, if it breaks this level, we need a break below this trend line, and then it's valid. Okay. So let's have a look at comp here. So how would I get my levels here for comp? I'm gonna take the Fibonacci tool, take it from the pump to the high, and this would be an area to long the market here at the 0.618. So if the market comes back down to here, then we'll take it long back up to the highs, okay? Okay, so everything is approaching our entry here. So World Coin, we're gonna take sells below here. Pepe, we're gonna take sells below here as well. The thing is, the market is bearish, bullish, right? So these trades are gonna be very, very small. Like the time frame is gonna be very, very small. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin's retracing a bit, which is fine. Kind of what we want. So this next 15-minute candle closes bearish here for Pepe or the 5. Actually, I'm gonna take sells on the 5 here. It's a 12% move, so we're gonna try to catch 12%. Quick trade. It will be very quick. So wait, let me just put all the trades in one line here. So Pepe, World Coin. Yeah. Was it Matic? No, it was, what's it called? Comp. Yeah, so comp. Okay, so we're looking at 3 trades. So if comp taps into this 0.618, we're gonna take these buys. And then XRP, we took that trade in the Telegram. Okay, so look here, guys. So look at this. So you're watching. So the 5-minute candle just closed bearish, right? So now what is happening? It's creating a top wick. Okay. So if you're in all my other streams, what do I say? When we're looking for sells, we want to see a top wick getting created first, and then we wait for it to flip bearish, right? So you can see it's creating a top wick, and as this candle starts to flip bearish, we take sells. Okay. Comp needs to tap into our zone. The Pepe is approaching, and WorldCoin is respecting this level here, which is obviously a good sign that it's probably going to carry on to upside. So what we're going to wait here for WorldCoin, because we could potentially take longs as well. So the market is it's at like a critical level right now, because the problem is, yeah, if it doesn't flip bearish, it's probably just going to carry on to the upside, right? So we need to keep that in mind. But yeah, if this next 5 minute does close bullish like this, we're probably going to take longs for WorldCoin. It could be very valid. Otherwise, you see, we're going to take longs above here, and this is the perfect zone to take a long at as well for Pepe. So sells below here, longs above here, or longs above here. Yeah. So we need to wait for candles to close, because the problem is, what happens in the market is a lot of people will be jumping in now, and people will be like, oh, you know, I'm just going to take a long here, and basically it could still flip bearish. So like if you wait for the candle to close, then you have the probability of like getting the trade and being more accurate is way higher, right? Oh, sorry, I messed up, like not holding it. But basically you need to wait for candles to close, otherwise it just doesn't make sense. Yeah. So comp tap into the zone. I want to see how big the stop loss would be. So like if we had it enter now, for example, right? So if we had it enter now, the stop loss on a 20x is 18%, but your take profit is 50%. I'm still gonna wait for this. I think the entry would just be perfect, right? Yeah, like you can see, like this is why we wait for the candle to flip bearish, right? Because we trading in top wick now, but the thing is, if it doesn't flip bearish, then it's probably just gonna come back in the range, and it's just a fake out, and then price is most probably just gonna carry on to the upside. Yeah. So yeah, so this was the trade we were looking at as well. Dogecoin. I don't want to go over too many charts because we need to focus on the charts that we have. Otherwise, we're not going to get a trade, yeah. My goal is to make sure that we get at least one trade in the stream. Bitcoin going down. It is going down. But it's retracing, right? It is just retracing, okay? So we don't need to worry if Bitcoin's going down. If you zoom out and go on the 4-hour chart, it's not really going down, is it? But on the 1 minute, it does look like it's going down, right? But if you look at the 4-hour, it's kind of pumping. So it's the perspective of trying to use the lower time frames with the higher time frames at once, and just being like, okay, does it make sense to take a long now? Does it, you know, you have to ask this question. So WorldCoin would have been actually a good buy. The thing is, we need to see. You see how it respected this trend line here? Problem is, this blue line I've drawn here is a very strong resistance, right? So look here, right? Yeah. We need to see a closure above this level. Blue line is very, very strong resistance, so keep that in mind. We don't need to be buying that level. I want com to come back down to the zone. But if you guys, the thing is, I would like entering now. it's okay, right? I mean, I'm still bullish on the market, so we are expecting longs, right? But I want this to happen. I want price to come and hit the zone, and then we take longs. Yeah. So when price hits the zone, then we take position. But if it doesn't hit our zone, well then kind of the situation. Yeah, Pepe. The thing is, my strategy is based on candles closing above and below certain levels. Okay, so basically, if we don't get those conditions, then we can't enter the trade. Like for example, Pepe here. This would be a good area to long, but we have resistance. So price can just do this the whole day. When it starts closing above this level, then we take longs. If this makes sense. Patience is key, guys. We've been waiting for a trade here. Got our money in our accounts. We are just waiting. We are waiting. I hope everyone's doing well though. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm doing very, very well today. Finally moved into my new apartment. It's taking so long since to move in. But I'm getting there now. All my stuff's getting delivered today. But I did want to go live. I was looking at the market, looking good. It was looking good, and it still is. We just need a trade here. I'm trying to flip this account, this $2,000 account. I've made 10%. Almost 10% on the account. I'm trying to flip it, trying to double it. 4,000. So if you guys are here every day, you'll start to see this account grow. I started last week 2,000 on Thursday. I didn't really trade in the weekend. I did take a couple. Go through the history. Where's my cross? Yeah. So these are all the trades I've taken. So I had quite a bit of a loss. I had a nice profit this morning. Good loss there. But then every trade before that was profit. That was last week. We had a very good week last week. We kind of just need to keep that up. Can you see how WorldCoin got rejected from that zone we're speaking about? My screen is frozen. But you see this zone that we were speaking about, it got rejected, right? Which is what we were talking about. Beautiful. Yeah. So in order for us to take bars for WorldCoin, what do we need to wait for? We need to wait for price to close. We are not, yeah, thank you. Sometimes, so like the streaming platform I use, it's called OBS. It sometimes doesn't work properly. Let's see, guys. So we could take Soldier. What are your guys' predictions for the week? I want to hear your predictions for the week. Are we gonna see 28K? Are we gonna see 25K? What are your predictions for the week? My prediction, I'll tell you after you guys say yours. The comp is approaching our zone. Beautiful, guys. We're gonna get longs here. Yeah, OBS is... The problem is I'm using a Mac as well. But when I get my PC, crazy, because I'm gonna get way more RAM, way more FPS and everything. Because the Mac works, like it's fine. But I don't know. So we're waiting for the signal here, guys. But I want to hear from you. What are your predictions for Bitcoin? Are you guys bullish? Obviously I'm bullish, but I want to hear what you guys think. No idea with the prediction. Yeah, it's hard to predict in the high time frame, but I want to speak to you guys about it now. I'm thinking about longing comp here. I don't think we're gonna get tapped into that zone. The Pepe is approaching, right? Pepe is approaching. Nice. UDC 28K, yeah, as well. So we're gonna wait for Pepe longs. Let me actually quickly go over Bitcoin just to show you my prediction here. Okay, so what can you see for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame? A very, very strong bullish candle closure on the weekly time frame. So the week, we've closed the week on a very, very strong note. Okay, very, very strong note. Very bullish, taps into that 25K. It's like the perfect textbook trade, okay? Wait, before I go over this, we're going to be missing trades here. Pepe, we need to take longs. Sorry. I'll go over Bitcoin when we're not looking at trades. Okay, we are going to take longs, guys. I'm sorry, this is kind of a waiting game, but comp, I think I'm going to take longs here for comp. I don't think it's going to tap into our zone. If today candle closes above 26.8, then we see 28 at the end of the week, next week. Yeah, it's 26.8. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, that's my zone as well. This is what I was looking at today. If I make this in white. No, you can't long Pepe now. This was my level I was looking at here. Pepe, you can't long now. Why can't you long Pepe now? Because we're waiting for the candle to close above the zone. Yeah, it hasn't closed above yet. Also, guys, I am streaming in, so I will have to end the stream like in the next 5 minutes because I've got the guy coming to sort out my landline and everything. But I am streaming in the next hour on the app. Okay, so but I wanna wait for this next 500 candles closure, and then we can take longs for Pepe, and then I'm gonna end the stream, and then you can catch me on the app in the next hour as well. So I'm doing a double stream today because of the situation for my move. I will be streaming on the app as well in the next couple minutes. I mean, the next hour. Are there? Sorry about that. We about a long Pepe. Yeah. Do you guys ever get phone calls like, so basically I got my internet connection, like I got set up today, and it's like, it's very, very strong. It's like 500 megabytes a second. Very, very good. But they put my number in like a system. So I've been getting like 20 calls a day from different like Wi-Fi companies, and crazy. Like, what am I meant to do? Like, so annoying. Actually very annoying. We longing Pepe, guys, soon. Don't move. And then we're gonna take a long here. Look at this, right? Looking good. We could long right now though. I'm waiting for the 5 minute. We've got 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Then we take longs. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and then we long. In 2 minutes time. Gold coin. So in 2 minutes time we are longing Pepe, okay. And then I do have to go, and then I'm streaming on the app, at the CoinW app. Make sure you guys check me out on there. I will be streaming on there in the next hour. We're only longing Pepe if we get the closure though, guys. Remember that. If we don't get the 5 minute candle close above here, then is it valid? No. Because you can see on the 1 hour, yeah, like this resistance on the 1 hour is only on the 5 minute or the 15, right? So it's not even on the 15, it's only on the 5 minutes. So this is why we're waiting for the 5 minutes to take buys. Okay. So this resistance is exclusively only for the 5 minute chart. So if we get bars above here, why is my level there? It should be down here. Yeah. It has to be drawn on the candle close. Take bars. Okay. So at 1 minute time, we're going to take bars. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute time. And then we're taking bars. But if it doesn't close above this level, then we can't take bars, right? Stick to the system. Stick to the rules. Only if it closes above. If it doesn't close above, then it's not valid, okay? So get your CoinW out. I'm going to do a 10% margin here. 20x. I'm going to use a 20x, okay. 20 seconds, we're going to take bars. Come on, come on. We're going to get a closure here. I'm going to take bars, okay. We closed above. Bars are valid. Look at bar. Oh, when did I get in? My entry price was terrible. Oh, terrible. Yeah, look at that, guys. Like picture perfect. What is that? This is a huge reaction. Okay, so we in bars for Pepe. What do we do next? We just wait, right? But I don't know what I was gonna say there. So if price taps into this level here, this would be our take profit. Stop loss would be below here. Yeah, that's a trade. We long on Pepe. Altcoin's kind of doing its own thing. Oh, comp's probably going to tap into our zone. Ooh, nice. So comp's going to tap into our zone. Get ready for a comp signal. Okay, I do have to go though, like ASAP. But can't really leave them in the car. We're only up like 1% here. But CoinW does lag a bit. Kind of lags. But you can see on the chart it's at 68, but over here, oh there you go, it's back. Okay, comp's gonna tap our zone. We're gonna take longs for comp. Yeah, we can long Pepe like if you, or like the thing is, kind of needed to come down a bit. It looks good. I mean, it's bullish. I'm just gonna tap into our zone. We're gonna take longs. Sorry, the stream is very rushed today. It won't be like this tomorrow. I've just got so much stuff I need to do today. I'd be surprised if this flips bearish. Would be very surprised. But it just created a bottom wick, which is beautiful. That's kind of what we should have waited for though. You can see how I just jumped in there, which is quite rash of me. But basically, created a bottom wick now. It should see some upside. Yeah, because we had that 15 closure. Bottom wick's getting created. We should see a nice pump. So let's go back to comp because looking at Pepe now, kind of just retracing. So comp's gonna tap into our zone here. I'm gonna take these longs for comp. We'll take these longs. Comp and Bitcoin. The Bitcoin's absolutely pumping. So like taking longs for comp here as well. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, we long comp. You want to wait for the better entry? Wait. But to be honest, I don't think we're going to get it. So I'm taking a long on my other account as well. We entered here. Stop loss below here. Beautiful. Yeah. So those are the trades today, guys. Those are the trades. I do need to go. I'll see you guys in like the next hour. I'll be on the app. I do have to check in some stuff, but I'll see you guys then. So, thanks so much for joining. Tomorrow we're gonna have a 2-hour stream because today was very short. But I just need to get all my stuff. But yeah, we just did take it long for comp because Bitcoin is pumping. Look at this, right? Bitcoin just pumped so much. Comp should buy. Pepe is coming down a bit, but it's fine because we expected that. Yeah, just hold, put your stop loss below the zones, and then we should be good. Cheers.